Boys and girls, this week we're going to talk about all about problem solving. Now, I need to tell you about a problem that I had yesterday. Now, I was cleaning up my dinner, num num num, ate my spaghetti, and I was cleaning up the kitchen, and I accidentally dropped a plate everywhere, and it broke, literally everywhere. There was glass. So I'm looking at my broken plate. Now, my broken plate is the problem. Okay, and every time you're faced with a problem, you have many options, not just two. You have many options, okay, on how to solve it. And when we solve a problem, we really want to make a thoughtful choice with our brains. So I'm staring at my broken plate all over the floor. There's glass everywhere, and I'm thinking to myself, there's a couple options that I have here. I can leave it on the floor and just let it be, and hope that someone else cleans it up, and risk the fact of me stepping on it, or my dog stepping on it, or someone else stepping on it. Or I can do the other option of getting a broom, sweeping it up and throwing it in the trash can and making sure that the floor is clean so that no one gets hurt. Which option do you think I did? Right. Yep, I got that broom, I swept it all up, I put the glass in the trash, I took my vacuum and I cleaned it all up. Why did I choose that option and not just leaving it on the floor? Yep, exactly. If you step on glass, you might have to go to the hospital, kids. So Miss Walasha could not leave it all on the floor. That would be devastation. Olivia, my dog, she might step on it, and that just wouldn't be fun for anybody, right? And instead, when I solved my problem and I got everything in the trash and I vacuumed, I put that vacuum away, I felt good. I knew that I had just solved a problem. I put a positive look on a negative situation. My situation was so sad, plate everywhere, but it made me feel positive and happy to solve it and get it clean. So let's write a sentence about that. Now, when you choose an option of solving a problem, do you want to do something that makes you sad? Or do you want to solve it by something that makes you mad? Do you want to solve it by doing something that makes you feel happy? Exactly. When you solve a problem, it will make you feel so good and so accomplished. So we want to look for positive options when solving our problems. Let's write about it. What do you say? So rub those ears, cha-ching, and let's think about this sentence. We look for positive actions for our problems. What do I mean by positive action? Right, I mean something good, right? If I would have left that glass all over the floor, would that have been a positive option? No, because somebody could have got hurt. But by me cleaning it up, was that a positive action? Yep, exactly. So let's write our sentence and then we can talk about some other positive actions that we can take for different problems. So let's write it. We look for positive options for our problems. Let's just write it. Ready? We. What's the first sound you hear in we? The letter W. We look for what kind of actions? Positive actions. And positive means good. Yeah, positive means thumbs up. We look for positive actions when we solve problems. I'm going to put a period because I wrote it. Now, when I say that we look for positive actions to solve our problems, now not every problem is like completely negative. It could just be, hey, I have a problem. I don't know if I want to drink apple juice or orange juice, and you have to choose. But there are more problems like, I ran out of water. What am I going to do? So there are different types of problems. And you want to look for the best way to solve them, okay? So I want you to think of so there's a cup way up high. You have options, okay? You can stand on the chair and reach up in the cup. Or you can ask your big brother who is tall and can reach that cup to come get it for you. Which one do you think is a positive action? Right, asking for help. What if you accidentally get marker all over your clothes? Like you were coloring and you dropped the marker and it got on your clothes. You have some options. You can put it in the laundry hamper and tell mommy that you accidentally marked your clothes, or you could just throw it in the trash. Which one's a positive action? Telling mommy, yeah, you don't want to throw your clothes in the trash. If you throw them in the trash, what would happen? Yeah, you'd run out of clothes and mommy would be angry. Very good. So we're going to talk throughout the day about some more positive actions for different kinds of problems. Thanks for joining.